In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get free packs in FIFA Heroes. Let's get started. First, make sure you complete your daily and weekly missions. Every day you will receive simple objectives like scoring 3 goals or winning a multiplayer match. Completing all of your daily milestones rewards you with a standard player pack, while earning enough points throughout the week unlocks the Elite Weekly Chest, which guarantees at least one rare or epic player card. Next, don't forget to progress through the free track of the Season Pass. You don't need to buy the premium version to earn rewards. Just keep playing matches to gain pass XP, and you will regularly unlock free hero packs and position-specific packs such as defender or attacker packs every few levels. Another easy way to collect rewards is by claiming your daily free shop voucher. Simply open the shop from the main lobby, go to the packs tab and scroll to the far left to claim your free welcome pack. While these packs usually contain common players and gold coins, there are always a small chance of receiving elite items, making it worth claiming every single day. Finally, be sure to participate in live event tournaments whenever they are available. These limited time events are often based on real-world football competitions and feature unique game modes. By reaching the semifinals or finals in these tournaments, you will earn exclusive event-themed premium packs packed with valuable rewards. If you stay consistent by completing daily missions, leveling up the free season pass, collecting your free daily pack and completing in special events, you will build a stronger squad without spending any money. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.